Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Happy Monday. We've got an interesting week shaping up here for us, folks. So the last two candles, both Friday and today's, have both exceeded the average true rain, which of course ticked up starting on Friday and will likely tick up again today. And the 50-day moving average, which held on Friday, has been permeated today. And so we could see a little bit of follow through that pivot point. That tends to act as a support until it is permeated, and then it can act as resistance. But we always like to see that 2-bar close, as John likes to call it, or confirmation candle. The next thing to think about for this week is that later this week we have the PCE being announced. That is the Fed's favored inflation gauge. And that's going to give us a pretty good indication as to whether some of the things that have been in the news have found their way into being inflationary or not. We'll see. Last time, as you recall, the last inflation data that we got, as you might recall, we were just a smidge higher than expected. And so the PC will give us an idea whether that's a trend or maybe that was just a fluke. So lots of stuff to think about. Volatility picking up. If we double check on the VIX up here, let's just pull up a chart. VIX. VIX has ticked up and is now trading a bit higher on this 6-month chart. We're definitely towards the top half of it, but not quite one of these big spikes like we see sometimes. All right. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.